28th. Let's get right to our Sunday forecast as we get set to close out this extended holiday weekend. And many people visiting our area trying to get back home. And what can they expect, Hannah, if they do hit the roadways?
So if you are traveling today, we are experiencing some snow in most of our areas. I am expecting about 1 to 3 inches.
Just this morning, or?
Should last all throughout the day into the overnight hours, but looking to clear out early tomorrow morning.
So be careful
Yes.
as you're heading out.
Yes, so be careful when driving. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are seeing some light to moderate lake effect snow showers here this morning. Like I said, it will kind of pick up in the afternoon and evening hours, but this is looking to come to an end overnight. So here's what we are expecting: 1 to 3 inches for the Mohawk Valley and the North Country, and a trace to 1 inches for the southern valleys for this snowfall forecast. This is just for today into tomorrow morning. So expect some heavier snow moving in this afternoon. This will come to an end early tomorrow morning, and we will just have an unsettled week ahead with a chance of snow in almost every day this week. Before today, we'll be seeing snow showers, a high in the lower 30s, and I'll be tracking out that snow coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Governor Hochul.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up to a few light snow showers this morning. They will become moderate in the afternoon hours and then look to clear out overnight. So let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera right now. We can't really see much. We are seeing very low visibility up here on top of the hill, as well as a few snow showers. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, these snow showers right now are widespread. They are forming over Lake Ontario and moving into our area, especially in northern part of Oneida County right now, as well as the North Country. I am going to zoom out to show you this is lake effect snow, but it is being driven by this low pressure system from the west. So this will continue to move towards our area throughout the day today, bringing in some more lake effect snow bands. And this is looking to end overnight into early tomorrow morning. A couple Skywatcher reports coming in this morning. We are ranging in the 20s. Our Skywatcher in Westdale, Todd, it is his birthday today, so happy birthday to him. But it is quite cold out there this morning. Temperatures are ranging in the 20s. We have 25 down at Cooperstown in the Southern Valley. So let's take a look at that snowfall forecast. Here's what I am expecting for today and for early tomorrow morning. It is looking like around 1 to 3 inches for the North Country and the Mohawk Valley, and a trace to 1 inches down in the southern valleys for this snowfall. So if you are going to be outside at all today, I would definitely be careful of any sidewalks, any parking lots you are going to be walking on. It is going to be quite snowy, and as we get into tomorrow, it will be icy because our low temperatures will be down in the 20s, and that snow could freeze up as well as the wet surfaces. So just be careful if you are walking outside and traveling. So let's look at all of this on our Skycast. We will be in the lower 30s for the high today, and we will be seeing that snow all throughout the day today. It is looking to end in the overnight hours for early Monday morning at 7 a.m. It will be mostly cloudy with little to no snowfall. We will see temperatures tomorrow reach a high in the lower 30s and maybe seeing a few peaks of sunshine out there as well. Into Tuesday, we may be seeing another chance of snow coming in for the day on Tuesday. We do have a high in the lower 30s, a few scattered snow showers in the morning, and then it looks like the heavier bands coming in the afternoon to evening hours on Tuesday. Before today, we have a high in the lower 30s. We'll be snowing for the day today, and overnight tonight, it is looking to clear out, maybe a few flurries still lingering with a low down into the 20s. So here's your 7-day forecast for the rest of the week. We do have a chance of snow for almost every single day with highs in the 30s. As we get into the later days into the week as well as the weekend, it does warm up a little bit to highs in the 40s. That brings in that rain-snow mix. Now back to your weekend trivia. What is the most amount of snowfall we have received on a single day in the month of December? Gary, do you have a guess?
I had a little help from our peanut gallery this morning. Our
Good for
director
you.
and our photographer both say C, so I'm going to agree with them.
You were correct.
All right.
Yeah, so it happened in 2002 on Christmas Day.
Thanks, Peanut Gallery.
Yeah, so a lot of people do remember it because it was on
sure.
Christmas Day.
That's for sure.
Yeah.
Hannah, thanks. Coming up, a mom and
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing a few light snow showers out in our area right now. This will turn moderate throughout the day, and it will become coming to an end in the early morning hours tomorrow. So let's take a look at our CAV tower camera. We can't really see much. We are dealing with lower visibility up here on top of the hill, along with a few snow showers. Now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing light to moderate widespread snow showers this morning forming over Lake Ontario. And although these are lake effect snow showers, they are being driven by this low pressure system just to the west of us. So this will continue to move towards our area throughout the day today. That snow will kind of start to pick up in the afternoon and evening hours, and it will be coming to an end in the later overnight hours, looking more like tomorrow morning. Now, our temperatures are in the 20s this morning, so it is still a little bit cold out there, but it's definitely not as cold as waking up in the teens. We are ranging in the 20s here in the Mohawk Valley. I did want to point out our Skywatcher in Westdale, Todd. He came in at 27 degrees, but it is his birthday today, so happy birthday to him. And down in the southern valleys in the mid-20s as well, we have 25 degrees in Cooperstown. So this is what I am expecting in terms of snowfall for today and ending tomorrow morning. We're looking at about 1 to 3 inches for the North Country and the Mohawk Valley, and about trace to 1 inches for most of the southern valleys for just this specific snowfall. So I did want to point out it may be hard traveling today if you are going to be walking outside for anything, even tomorrow morning in your parking lot, walking to your car. Today, those roadways, those parking lots are going to be quite snowy, and as we get into tomorrow, they will be icy because they will come to a freeze overnight. So just be careful when traveling, when walking, even walking to your car in your parking lot or in your driveway. Now, on the Skycast right now, we are seeing those snow showers here this morning. They will become a little bit heavier in the afternoon to evening hours and overnight before coming to an end. Tomorrow will be mostly cloudy in the morning. May see a few peaks of sunshine later on with a high in the lower 30s. Now, as we get into Tuesday, may be seeing some scattered snow showers in the morning hours. We'll be seeing heavier snow bands moving back in Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday evening. Before today, we have a high in the lower 30s. We'll be seeing snow all throughout the day today, and overnight tonight, that snow will slowly be coming to an end with a low in the 20s. Now, on the 7-day forecast for the week, there is a chance of snow almost every day this week. We have highs in the lower 30s for the beginning of the week. And as we get towards the end of the week and the weekend, those highs kind of tend to lean more towards the lower 40s. So that's when we get those rain and mixed snow situations. Now, back to your weekend trivia question. Do more people who celebrate Christmas get real or artificial trees? Gary, it's a 50-50 guess here.
The 50-50. I'll go with artificial.
You're correct. I get artificial. I know my parents get artificial, so.
And I know your kitten loves that artificial tree.
Oh, no, she's always climbing in it. I looked over the other day. She's at the top of the tree. I'm like, oh my gosh.
Cute pictures, though.
Yes, good pictures, but just annoying.
Yeah. Hannah, thanks. Wildlife getting...
Snow is here, which means winter is upon us. We want to remind everybody to watch for slow-moving plows and salt trucks while on the road. Also, do not crowd the plow. It is safer to drive several car lengths behind the plow, and remember to adjust your speed and schedule extra time for winter travel. And with those snowy roads, it's time for a first look at your forecast tonight at 6. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans. Hannah, we saw some snow up here on Smith Hill. Will that continue overnight?
Yes, we did see some widespread snow today, some sticking in some places and other areas not really sticking at all, but we are going to see it overnight, and it looks to come to an end tomorrow morning. So let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are seeing widespread light snowfall right now. Again, it is mostly sticking in areas of higher elevations thus far, and we will continue to see this snow overnight. This will come to an end tomorrow morning. Our temperatures right now are slowly dropping below the freezing level, so my main concern is some ice forming overnight and into tomorrow morning. So this snow is going to come to an end tomorrow morning, and it will be mostly dry tomorrow, but in the morning hours, definitely be careful of some icy spots out there. And we will have an unsettled week ahead with a chance of snow in almost every day this coming week. But for this evening, we still have some snow showers. Temperatures are in the lower 30s right now. That'll be tracking when the snow will come to an end coming up. Back to you, Sayera.
Thank you, Hannah. Concerns about
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome back. We have been seeing light, widespread snow showers throughout the day today, and it is looking like it is going to last overnight before clearing out tomorrow morning. So let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera. We can't really see much, can't really see the lights of the city of Utica because we are dealing with some snow blocking that view. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are still seeing those widespread light snow showers in most of our areas here this evening. And again, these bands don't look like they are stopping from forming anytime soon. So this is definitely going to be the case in the overnight hours tonight. This is mainly due to this low pressure system from the west has moved a little bit closer to us, driving those lake effect snow bands to happen right now. I cannot rule out the possibility of a quick burst or even some heavier snow bands in the overnight hours tonight before drying out for the day tomorrow. Our temperatures right now are ranging in the lower 30s to upper 20s. We are in the upper 20s up in the North Country, in the lower 30s in the Mohawk Valley. We're also in the upper 20s to lower 30s down in the southern valleys here this evening. So it is ranging around freezing. The overnight lows tonight will not drop too much from this, but I am concerned about some black ice forming overnight and into tomorrow morning. Some of the snow isn't really sticking on roadways in certain areas. So again, black ice is a possibility if you are getting ready to head out early tomorrow morning. Those roadways will still be wet and those temperatures will drop below freezing tonight into the 20s. So this could form black ice. So just be careful when driving, even when walking to your car or walking outside. Could be very slippery tomorrow morning. So be careful of that. Now, we will see some snow in the overnight hours tonight, and this chance of snow does look to drop for most of the day on Monday. As we get into Tuesday, we will see another chance of snow in the morning hours, maybe some scattered snow showers, and this chance does rise in the evening hours on Tuesday. Now let's look at all of that on our SkyCast. We are still seeing some snow showers right now. These do look to end in the overnight hours tonight into early tomorrow morning. By 6 or 7 a.m. does look to all be cleared out. May even be seeing some sunshine for the day tomorrow. Now, as we get into Tuesday, we'll see increasing clouds overnight. We'll see some scattered light snow showers in the morning hours. Those snow showers do look to pick up a little bit for the afternoon and evening hours on Tuesday. For this evening, our temperatures are ranging in the upper 20s to lower 30s. We are still seeing some snow showers out there, and tomorrow we will see those snow showers kind of lingering in the morning hours with the high in the lower 30s. They do look to clear out, but it still will kind of be mostly cloudy, maybe seeing a few peaks of sunshine in there. Now, for Tuesday and Wednesday, we still have a chance of snow for both of these days. We do have a slightly bigger chance on Thursday to see some rain and snow mix because the high temperature is in the lower 40s. We are drying out on Friday due to high pressure. Back to you, Sayera.
Thank you, Hannah. Coming up next, Taha forecast tonight. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We have been seeing snow all throughout the day today, and that will remain the case into the overnight hours before drying out for tomorrow. So again, we will see snow coming to an end tomorrow morning around 6 or 7 a.m. It will be dry for most of the day tomorrow after the snow does clear out. There may be a few flurries here and there. We'll maybe also be seeing some sunshine. This week does look unsettled. We do have a chance of snow for almost every day the upcoming week. So here is the snowfall outlook for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Maybe just a quick brush. We do have a chance of snow for all 3 of these days. But for Thursday, we do see a heavier band of some lake effect snow coming into the area. So we may need to shovel for that. But if you are getting ready to head out the door tomorrow morning, definitely need a jacket and your snow boots. We did see some snow accumulation overnight, as well as your sunglasses. The sun looks to return for some of the day tomorrow and some extra time when driving. But tonight we will see a low in the mid-20s. Snow showers do continue throughout the night tonight, and I will be tracking out that snow coming up. Back to you, Sayera.
Thank you, Hannah.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome back. We are still seeing some snow in our area in the overnight hours tonight, but it does look to clear out by tomorrow morning. So let's take a live look at our CAVI tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We can't really see much, can't really see those lights shining as bright because we are still seeing some snow out there in most of our area here this evening. Our overnight lows tonight will not be as cold as they were recently, like we saw them in the teens. We will be ranging in the 20s to 30s. We are going to be in the lower 20s up in the North Country, in the upper 20s to lower 30s here in the Mohawk Valley. And same thing goes for the Southern Valley. It's looking like upper 20s to lower 30s for most of our areas in the overnight lows tonight. But it is still cold enough to kind of freeze some wet surfaces or some snow that is falling right now. So if you are heading out tomorrow, I would definitely be careful of ice tomorrow. Tonight, snow is our main concern on the sidewalks and on the ground, but tomorrow definitely going to be some icy spots. So do be careful if you are walking to your car or even when driving. Black ice is definitely possible for the morning hours of tomorrow. I did want to point out the changing weather come December because December starts on Wednesday, so just 3 days away now. We are going to start out in the upper 30s for the high and the mid 20s for the low. That is December 1st. But by December 31st, our high will only be of 30 and our low of 16. So we are dropping about 10 degrees for both the high and the low. And we will lose 9 minutes of daylight for the month of December. Also, since December is right around the corner, I would think it is a good time to kind of get your car ready for some snow that is going to be coming. We have already been seeing some snow these past couple of weeks, and it is only going to get worse as the winter does start to come. So here is your checklist that you may need. I always keep an extra pair of snow boots and a shovel in my car in case of any emergencies. So let's look at the skycast for the overnight hours tonight. We are still seeing some snow. That does look to dry out by around 6 or 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. For the day tomorrow, we'll be seeing decreasing clouds, maybe even seeing some sunshine later on with a high in the lower 30s. Now, overnight tomorrow night into Tuesday, we will be seeing increasing clouds, and on Tuesday, we will see a few scattered snow showers in the morning. The heavier bands do start to come in the afternoon and evening hours on Tuesday, and they will kind of linger for Wednesday morning. Before tonight, we have a low in the mid-20s. Snow showers are still happening outside, so do be careful. If you are heading out early tomorrow, definitely some ice and some snow on the roadways. Tomorrow, we do have some AM snow showers. That does look to clear out with a high of 34. Now, for the 7-day forecast, like I said, we do have a chance of snow almost every day this upcoming week. On Thursday, that temperature rises to at the lower 40s for the high, so that rain and snow mix does come in. We are dry on Friday due to high pressure. Rain and snow mix again on Saturday and drying out once again on Sunday due to high pressure. Back to you, Sayara.
Thank you, Hannah.